How to transfer money from USA to Canada. Now we'll be using Remitly. Why Remitly? Because it has the lowest fees. So if you use the link below, you will benefit from your first $1,000 without any fees. Now, first of all, select here the United States that you want to transfer from. And now in the two, select the Canada. So if you don't find it here, just type it in the search bar as you can see. So after that, select it. And as you can see here, type the amount that you want to transfer. In this case, it will be $1,000. And this is how much you will recipient receive. And now click on get this rate. Now log into your account. And now if you don't see your destination recipient here, just click here and type the recipient destination. In this case, it will be Canada like this. And now click on, and now as you can see here, just click on send money like that. And now as you can see, double check this the amount that you want to transfer. In this case, it will be $1,000. And as you can see, this is the fee, it's 0. And now click on continue. As you can see here, select the delivery method if you want to interact e-transfer, the bank deposit, or cash pickup. If you want to select the bank deposit, now click on it. And now select the recipient bank. In this case, as you can see, you can select it from here, or you can select the Royal Bank. And I'll provide the account number of that recipient bank account and the transit number. So I will provide those information and I will get back to you. Now after that, provide recipient name. And as you can see here, the recipient address, you can provide it here. And after that, click on continue. And if you want to provide the recipient mobile, you can. If you don't, click on skip. Now you need to add your debit card. Click on continue. And now provide your debit card information and click on next. Now after that, double check your card information to be able to transfer that money. And after that, click on transfer money and your recipient will receive that money. So this is how to transfer money from USA to Canada. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.